Alright, day 2 at 7:30 in the morning. The kids are still fast asleep. We just got up. We're gonna go grab coffee and then we're gonna go check out Collingwood downtown area. It's very small, nothing fancy. And we're gonna go check out the harbor. Oh, I forgot my drone. We're gonna try again after, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the plan for now. So first stop is find a. Do we do 2 mornings or McDonald's?
Doesn't matter.
Okay, so let's find one. Beautiful it is. People are already out on the boat. Hear the birds. I mean, if you do come to Blue Mountain, Collingwood is about another 5-minute drive. I mean, we're staying here, so. And look at the view you're getting right there. I think they're training. So here's a map. Look at the lake. Look how blue the water is. And there's somebody right there fishing. Well, a nice little maple leaf. So this part of the trail is closed, and with the right reason. So from there you come over to this roundabout and there's tons of place to park your car. I mean, look at this, how beautiful it is. Gorgeous. And as I'm talking, there are cars coming in. Oh, or just driving by. Beautiful. They put a old motor of a ship. Yeah, it's a view of the whatever that big structure at the back is. It's so cool, and you can launch your boat.
Or just watch the beautiful waters.
Or just come in the morning, enjoy the nature. There's a
Small marina.
small marine. Well, small, it's pretty big. You
Yeah.
can launch your boat.
But it is pretty big, yeah.
that trail over there is closed for the time being, and that's because there are like huge holes on the ground.
Well, I do see people walking.
There's
but
people, you can still walk, but I don't think it's safe, especially not at night. You can't tell. You can get hurt pretty bad.
Looks like they have boat rentals.
Oh, they do?
Over there, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
There's little... I don't think they have like boat, but like kayaks and stuff like that.
I'd love to know what this structure is, man. I gotta
I
just...
think it's boat stuff. This is some sort of terminals.
Yeah, but what do they have inside? Anyways, we find this to be a pretty neat spot to come and enjoy your cup of coffee.
Or like in the evening when it's not too hot. Walk around. I saw a bunch of people jogging this morning. But it is supposed to get really hot, so I wouldn't recommend during the day.
Alright, we're heading back. Good. Yeah, anyways, I think we would have returned really unhappy because of being locked in a hotel room.
Like we would have just been in a hotel for the entire, 3.5 weeks. And every once a week when they open up for stores, you would have had to go line up to buy food for us. Can you imagine spending all of your vacation and then coming back? We would have been stuck. Or we would have had to pay like,
arm and a leg.
Arm and a leg to if we wanted to come back. So even if we left there on time, no. If we went like a month before, it would be nice.
Yeah.
Saw nice like art stuff yesterday.
Oh, the
On the wall.
The wall.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think that's a little further.
Really?
Yeah. Well, let me turn.
Oh, this is not the street. There's that Collingwood water tank.
They're building a... Oh, wow, okay. Monaco.ca.
Oh, they're gonna pretend like it's Monaco now. Is that what it's supposed to be?
Well, this place is beautiful, man. It's
It is.
gorgeous.
But it doesn't look like
Oh,
Monaco.
look, Desjardins Bank in an old house. Wow.
Oh, something about flowers.
Do you want to dance with me? That is the Arlington.
It's some sort of shopping
Shop,
office building, something like that. Is it this wall?
No. The wall was visible from Main Street, right? You'll see it as I'm come back on that Main Street.
Shipyards.
I guess this town should be pretty busy during winter too because of skiing. Right?
Yeah. It is a... So... Oh, it's the same building. So I'm like, what's with all this Monaco stuff? This is actually really nice. So there you see that harbor. Are you in the way?
I don't think so. no, sorry, that's just
That's,
one part.
yeah, that's a different one. I'm kind of glad we came on a weekday because it's
Yep.
pretty quiet here. Oh, there it is. No, it's not it.
I don't think people need to stop on the
On this
up
side.
to the median, but
Monkey see, monkey do.
no, you want me to go all the way to the mountain and grab that drive and come back, or?
Sure. Do I keep taking this?
Well, I'm recording here too, so you know.